how to delete files and folders or directories in Ubuntu Linux command line. As you can see guys, I'm currently SSH'd into my Ubuntu server and I have the command line open. The first thing I'm going to be typing into the terminal window here is ls, which is the command to list files in the current directory. So I'm just going to type ls and then I'm going to hit enter. As you can see guys, in this current directory there are many files and folders. To delete a single file, there are two commands you can use. The first one being unlink and the second one being rm. Let's first try the unlink command. So I'm just going to type unlink and then I'm going to choose a file from the directory. Let's go with the permissions.json file. So I'm just going to type space, the name of my file, which is permissions, dot the extension name, which in this case is JSON file. So I'm just going to type JSON and then hit enter. Now if we type the ls command again to list all our files, we should see that the permissions.json file is no longer there. And as you can see guys, it isn't there anymore and has in fact been deleted and permanently removed from our Ubuntu Linux server. Let's try the other method of deleting files and folders. Let's say if we wanted to delete the dedicated server.txt using the rm command, all we need to type is rm space, and instead of typing out the name of the file and the extension, I'm just going to highlight it here to copy it, and then I'm just going to right click in our command line here to paste, and I'm just going to backspace here as I have copied an extra space here, and then all I'm going to do is enter to delete the dedicated _server.txt file. And now if we type ls again and hit enter, we should no longer see the dedicated _server.txt file, and that is the case again guys. Now let's say if we wanted to delete a folder, also known as a directory guys. Folders or directories don't have an extension in their name. I'm currently using PuTTY as my SSH client, and PuTTY highlights directories in blue here. Let's attempt to delete the world's directory here. To delete this, we'll need to use the rm command. So I'm just going to type rm space -rf. The R in the -rf command stands for recursive, which stops the server prompting you to confirm your deletion. The F in -rf means force, and that is to allow you to delete write protected files. Space, the name of your directory or folder. So of course we want to delete the world's folder, so I'm just going to type that out, and then all we need to do is hit enter. Let's type ls again to list all our files in our current directory, and we should no longer see the world's folder anymore. And there we go guys, the world's folder has indeed been deleted. Now let's say if you wanted to delete all the contents of the current directory that you are in, meaning that you will delete all the folders and every single file within the current directory that you're in. To do this, what you'll need to use is the rm command again. So you're just going to type rm -rf space star. The star in this command will tell your server to delete every single file and folder in the current directory that you're in. So now if I press enter here and then I type ls, you should see no files and folders or directories anymore, which means that the current directory that you're in is in fact now empty. Alright guys, that pretty much concludes the video on how to delete files and folders or directories in Ubuntu Linux command line. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Why is it so hard to let you go?